In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Google Chrome profile picture. This is a simple yet useful customization, and I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. So let's dive in and make your browsing experience just a little bit more personalized. First off, you want to open your Google Chrome browser. Once you have it open, head on over to the top right corner of the window. You should see a little circle there, which might have your current profile picture or an icon depending on your settings. This is your profile icon, and it's where you'll be starting this journey to a new profile picture. When you click on that profile icon, a menu will drop down. It's filled with various settings and other options, but for now, what you're looking for is the option labeled Customize Profile. This is your gateway to changing how your profile looks, so go ahead and click on that. You're doing great so far. Once you've clicked Customize Profile, you'll be taken to a new window or tab that offers various customization settings for Google Chrome. This is where you can change everything from the color scheme of your browser to, of course, your profile picture. But for now, let's focus on selecting a new avatar or picture for your profile. As you scroll down this page, you'll notice a section dedicated to avatars. Google has provided a wide selection of avatars for you to choose from, ranging from simple geometric shapes to more playful and colorful icons. Take your time to scroll through these options. It's always nice to pause for a moment and consider which one best represents your current mood or personality. Once you've found an avatar you like, simply click on it. At this point, Google Chrome will automatically set this as your new profile picture. It's really that easy. Take a moment to admire your updated profile image and know that you can change it again anytime you feel like switching things up. And there you have it. In just a few clicks, you've personalized a small but significant part of your Google Chrome experience. Remember, these little customizations can make using your browser feel more like home and uniquely yours. If you ever want to make further changes, you can always revisit the Customize Profile section and choose a new avatar whenever you wish. I hope this guide made the process clear and easy to follow. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tech tips and how-tos. Have a great day and happy browsing.